Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Bluestack Emulator, advantages, disadvantages, and system requirements. Let's go. Are you tired of squinting at your phone's small screen while playing your favorite Android games? Do you wish you could enjoy your mobile apps on a larger screen without having to buy a separate device? Well, look no further than Bluestack. You see, Bluestack is a free Android emulator software that allows you to run Android applications on your computer laptop. With high definition resolutions and smoother frame rate, you can enjoy an enhanced mobile experience on a larger screen. One of the biggest advantages of Bluestack is its advanced key mapping feature. So say goodbye to inaccurate touch inputs. This feature allows you to assign controls to your mouse, keyboard, or gamepad for more precise and faster gameplay. Whether you're playing fast-paced fighting games or immersive role-playing games, you can customize controls to suit your preferences. Macro functionality is another game changer that Bluestack provides. It lets you record input sequences and execute them with a single button click, making it easier to perform repetitive tasks or complex maneuvers in games. With this feature, you can unleash sophisticated and little skill combos without any effort. Multitasking is a breeze with Bluestack's multiple instances feature. You can run multiple apps or games at the same time on a single machine, allowing you to get more done in less time. So you can see that with Bluestack, you can easily capture screenshots and record videos while using Android applications. It's a great way to show off your skills or create high-quality tutorials that you can share with friends and families over social media. The latest version of Bluestack, which is the Bluestack 5, is the fastest and lightest version to date. It is sleek, it has a modern interface, and is easier to use and more intuitive, making your mobile experience even smoother. Bluestack is a fantastic software for gamers and non-gamers alike. Whether you're playing games, using social media apps, or working on productivity apps, Bluestack provides a seamless mobile experience in a larger screen. With its wide range of features and updates, it is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to enjoy Android applications on their computer or laptop. Bluestack 5 requires a PC or a Mac with at least 4 GB of RAM. It now supports concurrent 32-bit and 64-bit applications. Let's look at the system requirements, minimum system requirements. With the latest version of Bluestack, which is Bluestack 5, you can get started on a PC that fulfills the following requirements. 1. Microsoft Windows 7 or above operating system. Mac OS 11, BSO or above. For the processor, Intel processor, AMD or Apple Silicon processor. For RAM, at least 4 GB of RAM. If you're using HD, you need at least 10 GB free disk space. Note: you must be an administrator on your PC. You must have up-to-date graphics drivers from Microsoft or the chipset vendor before you can use the Bluestack 5 on your PC or Mac. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.